we've got an 85 Honda ATC 200X with the Sawyer Custom inverted front end. Motor has not been rebuilt. It's got God knows how many hours on it, but she runs pretty good. With the gearing that's in it, it's geared to accelerate. It's not really geared for top speed, so the top speed we got out of this thing is kind of impressive for what it is. The last speed run we did on this thing, we had some funny comments, people saying that their bikes can go a lot faster. Let's see a GPS reading on your speeds. I don't want to see radars. I don't want to see you riding next to a car with an uncalibrated speedometer. I want to see GPS speeds to prove your claim. Here's my GPS. This is directly off the phone. If you look down, it's right there. After we got the top speed run, we got some freestyle riding and a little bit of track run, so stick around through the whole video. It's only a couple of minutes. Remember, guys, we need the watch time, get the hours that we need. Watch these things, share these things, comments, likes, get these videos out to as many people as we can. The more we can put back into this channel, the cooler the videos we can make. See y'all in the next one.